Question 8. We have a diagram here with ABCD as a quadrilateral, ADE is an equilateral triangle, DCF is a straight line. So everything that you see in this picture is clarified, let's say, by the statements there. Work out the size of angle EAB. So just to highlight that, EAB is the angle from E to A to B. So it's this angle here that we're looking for. So that's the end game, is that angle there. Straight away, it should jump out at you that we're interested in this angle here, and we're going to be interested in that angle there. The fact that our green angle spans two mini angles like this, these two, the blue and the pink part, are going to be part of this. Now I'm just going to call these X and Y because we don't know what they are. In triangle AED, not only do we have the markings for this, but we are also told that it is an equilateral triangle, which means all of the angles are the same. All of the angles are 60 degrees. Now technically you can just quote that X equals 60, all right? But if you wanted to actually make the statement, you could say 180 divided by 3 equals 60. Your reason for this would be because it's an equilateral triangle, so all angles are 60 degrees in an equilateral triangle. You could probably just write equilateral triangle as well, but I'll be a bit more detailed here. So X equals 60. That's the first part. Next part, in order to get Y, we're going to have to use the information that's been given all about here. So we have a right angle here, 90 degrees. We have 135 degrees. We have this Y, and the other missing angle is this, which is right beside that. So we're going to use that 108 to figure out that missing angle there in red. We can take it away from 180 because of the fact that angles in a straight line add up to 180. So angles in a straight line add up to 180. After that, we're going to look in the quadrilateral. So we have 72 here. We have the 90 up here. We have the 135 there. So if we add all these together, 135 plus 90 plus 72, 72, we end up with 297 degrees. And then if we take that away from 360, we'll get our answer for Y, because angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. Angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. It's important that you list all of the reasons for this. Every single sum that you do, there's a reason why. Anytime you've got these questions that ask you for reasons, you should have a sentence. Does your sentence have to be exactly the same as what I've got? No. As long as you've got the key bits of information. Equilateral triangle, 60 degrees for the first. Straight line, add up to 180 for the second. And quadrilateral, add up to 360 for the one I've just done there. Last but not least, that's the size of Y. So Y is 63. Then we can get our angle, and that was 60. Then we can get our angle EAB as being the sum of those. So EAB is equal to 63 plus 60 gives us 123 degrees. We don't need to give an explanation for that. This diagram describes it. It's not an angle rule that one piece of an angle plus another piece of an angle makes their total. It's just implied. So 123 degrees is our final answer. Done.